So you want to fix that your apps are not downloading on your iPhone. So what I will do is I will show you step by step how you can fix this and the number one problem that you will be having when it comes to downloading apps. So step number one will be to head over to our settings. From here, you then want to scroll down, go over to general, and then once we select general, what we can now do is we can click on iPhone storage. Now, the number one biggest problem that you will have is that you will be running out of storage, and this will prevent you from downloading apps on your iPhone, iPad, or any other Apple device. So what you want to do is you want to go and you want to go through the different options here, and you will need to free up some of the storage in order to download apps. So for example, if I scroll down and I see an app that I don't want anymore, what I can do is I can click on this. So for example, this one right here, and then you can then click on delete app, and then you want to then delete as many apps as you need to delete to be able to download the app that you want to download. So this may be one app, this may be multiple apps, and then once you have done that, you should then be able to download apps as normal.